Camera Lucida app is a paid app, but it's really in the top chart of the paid apps. One-time purchase, lifetime use, so it's a really good price actually. $15 lifetime payment. An AR tool for creating art. It allows you to overlay images onto paper and trace through your camera. Start drawing today. So it's kind of like drawing relaxation app where you can just see, just use AR technology. Just put an image, put your phone on a specific stand, and then it's a bit transparent. So then you put kind of paper behind your phone, and then you can see exactly how it goes. This way you are really practicing drawing, as you can see in here. And that's one of the cheapest apps because you can just buy it for $15 and then just use it lifetime. And then it's quite advanced and it's really good app for drawing. People say this is really nice, relaxing app and has a lot of tools. So if you're looking for something in this category, if you want to learn drawing, if you want to relax, reduce stress with it, and then you just want to use this AR technology, that's one of the best apps I would recommend right now.